people don't always like you. And they're not always happy for you. And if you surround yourself with people who are not accustomed to your success, they become fearful. They become scared. Because you're reflecting back. They become fearful. They become scared because you are reflecting back something to them that they don't recognize. People who want the best for you want you to be your best. So my greatest advice to you is to surround yourself with people.
What's hungry? I do you taki. Adum takmingi. Taki. Antaki Sunday date 21 se event ani lay ani mak adum hairage ahambana angunda hana sina hana keno approach to adu do hana hairage tera paibi presence sim isai sakadau sing Day 21 pung aniga pung teret kada mafam na books and coffee da entry fee di nang na pining mo piraga ay charity event am sina kanglei pa ki chel by sense of kanglei pa sandy shores da sekmai da handak sandy si pung amadagi ticket mo man lupa chama ga yankai ticket phangpham ay event tawgadaba sing tawgadaba program ma'am they perform to whatever artist sing Lori